Okay, we are fixing to leave. We are at site, which site here are we at?
9.
This is 9. This is site 9. If you look at these patios, you can see how they kind of overhang. These are some of the better ones. We're going to try to get this one here next time we come back. But everybody's leaving. They what?
I think these are the most expensive ones they do.
Okay. And this place does have Wi-Fi. There's one of those Wi-Fi poles there. And so, but this one here is a real good site. That water is just absolutely just gorgeous. The barbecue last night was outstanding. It looked like they made a Boston butt. They cooked it for darn near 2 days. It seemed like a day and a half, and all the fixings had chicken. They barbecued it with some type of sauce, pineapple sauce. A what?
Pineapple chili.
Okay, but it was good. Oh, it was absolutely good. Got cold last night, real nice and chilly, and but that was really good. Everybody kind of come together and socializing and stuff like that, and so, but it's just a really good time. I mean, if you really like that type of atmosphere, they do the barbecue every Saturday night for the folks here. It's free. It don't cost you anything. They do encourage people to bring sides, and you have to bring your own utensils and your own drinks. But other than that, it really is this is a neat place. They don't have a laundromat here. If they had a laundromat, I think that would just about be the icing on the cake with it. But that's okay. That's all right. You get so much just with this creek here. This is absolutely gorgeous. They do allow you to fish. It's catch and release only. Catch and release only. And so, but this is a gorgeous day. We're going to try to stop by Lake James on our way back home. And so there is the place that they do the barbecuing there. Everybody comes together, and they had a fire, TV going. Everybody was watching football, and so I'm not into football. And but the bathrooms are right here, and the people that own the place live in that house right there. And so, but they closed this place down from when?
It's the weekend after Thanksgiving through I think maybe March for the winter season.
So the weekend after Thanksgiving all the way through March.
Yeah, for the winter season.
For the winter season, okay.
People try to go up the mountain and be snowing.
And this is not a gigantic campground. It really isn't. And so, but it's nice. It really is nice. People walking their dogs and stuff, and everybody's friendly. And
it's quiet.
It's quiet. That's what was amazing. Even though you're sort of close to everybody, it really is super quiet out here. And so our fire pit was right next to this creek, so we made a fire last night and sat and listened to the creek, and it just, with a fire next to this thing going, oh, it was just gorgeous. But the water is just so crystal clear. And so next time I come, I'm going to bring my water filter that I go backpacking with it. I'm going to get a good supply of this water. This is really nice. Beautiful. Guys, I hope you enjoy it. Check this place out. It is worth it. And for the money, you just can't beat it. You honest to God can't beat this.